Hello friends, welcome to our channel GK Earth English, where we challenge your brain with some exciting general knowledge questions.
In today's video, we will learn 20 general knowledge multiple choice question and answer on biggest discoveries of the past decade. Are you ready? So let's start. Question number 1. Which space probe become the first to touch the sun in 2021? Option A Voyager 2, B Parker Solar Probe, C Juno, and D New Horizons. The correct answer is Parker Solar Probe. In 2021, NASA Parker Solar Probe became the first spacecraft to touch the sun. Instead of a physical touch, the Parker Solar Probe touches the sun by entering its corona, which is the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere. Question number 2. Which discovery won the 2017 Nobel Prize for Physics? Option A dark matter, B string theory, C gravitational waves, and D quantum teleportation. The correct answer is gravitational waves. The prize went to Rainer Weiss, Barry C. Barris, and Kip S. Thorne for their decisive contribution to the LIGO detector and the first direct observation of gravitational waves in 2015. Gravitational waves are repelled in space-time predicted by Albert Einstein in 1916 as part of his general theory of relativity. Question number 3. Which drug became the first Ebola vaccine approved in 2019? Option A Zmapp, B Covaxin, C Remdesivir, and D Ervebo. The correct answer is Ervebo. The drug that became the first Ebola vaccine approved in 2019 was Ervebo. The European Medicine Agency and the US Food and Drug Administration licensed the vaccine, and the World Health Organization pre-qualified it in November 2019. Question number 4. Which country became the first to grow cotton seeds on the moon in 2019? Option A USA, B China, C Japan, and D India. The correct answer is China. In 2019, China became the first country to grow cotton seeds on the moon. This was achieved during the Change 4 mission, when a small biosphere experiment carried seeds of cotton, potatoes, rapeseed, and yeast inside a sealed container on the lunar lander. The cotton seeds were the first to sprout, making the first biological growth experiment on the moon surface. Question number 5. Which 2016 medical discovery proved that gut bacteria affect? Option A brain function, B skin color, C bone density, and D blood oxygen. The correct answer is brain function. Question number 6. Which company launched the first crew commercial space flight in 2020? Option A Blue Origin, B SpaceX, C Boeing, and D Virgin Galactic. The correct answer is SpaceX. On May 30, 2020, SpaceX launched its Crew Dragon spacecraft named Endeavour, carrying a NASA astronaut Robert Behnken and Douglas Hurley to the International Space Station as part of the Demo 2 mission, marking a new era of commercial human spaceflight from American soil. Question number 7. The James Webb Space Telescope launched in 2021 is mainly designed to observe. Option A radio waves, B infrared light, C gamma rays, and D X-rays. The correct answer is infrared light. The James Webb Space Telescope launched in December 2021 is mainly designed to observe the universe in infrared light. allowing it to see through cosmic dust and gas to study the formation of the first star and galaxies. After the Big Bang, investigate the birth of stars and protoplanetary system and analyze the atmosphere of the exoplanet to understand the origin of life. Question number 8. Which telescope in 2016 captured the most detailed map of the Milky Way? Option A, Gaia, B, Spitzer, C, Kepler, and D, TESS. The correct answer is Gaia. In 2016, the European Space Agency Gaia satellite captured the most detailed 3D map of Milky Way, revealing the precise position, brightness, distances, and motion of over a billion stars. Question number 9. Which telescope launched in 2020 is the world's most powerful X-ray observatory? Option A, NICER, B, Chandra, C, Rosetta, and D, Hubble. The correct answer is Rosetta. Rosetta, launched in July 2019, began full operation in 2020 aboard the Russian-German Spart RG Space Observatory. Rosetta has created the most detailed X-ray all sky survey to date, detecting millions of new black holes, neutrons, star, and galaxy clusters, making it most powerful X-ray observatory currently in operation. Question number 10. Which AI system in 2016 defeated the world champion Lee Sedol in the game of Go? Option A, Watson, B, Deep Blue, C, AlphaGo, and D, GPT-3. The correct answer is AlphaGo. In 2016, the AI system that defeated world champion Lee Sedol in the game of Go was the AlphaGo, developed by the Google DeepMind. Go is considered one of the world's most complex board games, far harder for computer than chess due to vast number of possible moves. Question number 11. Which ancient Denisovan fossils discovered in 2019 was found in option A, Africa, B, Tibet, C, South America, and D, Australia? The correct answer is Tibet. Question number 12. In 2020, scientists discovered phosphine gas on which planet atmosphere, hinting at life? Option A, Mars, B, Europa, C, Titan, and D, Venus. The correct answer is Venus. In 2020, scientists discovered phosphine gas in the atmosphere of Venus, which sparked excitement because on Earth, this gas is primarily produced by microbial life or industrial process. Question number 13. Which new human organ was identified in 2018 as a highway of fluid in the body? Option A, intestine, B, thymus, C, mesentery, and D, pancreas. The correct answer is intestine. The intestine was identified in 2018 as a new human organ and a fluid highway in the body. It is a network of interconnected fluid-filled space found throughout the body, acting like a shock absorber and facilitating fluid transport. It is located beneath the skin top layer and within the tissues lining various organs, including the gut, lungs, blood vessels, and muscles. Question number 14. In 2021, the WHO approved the world's first malaria vaccine named option A, Covaxin, B, RTSS, C, Gardasil, and D, MMR. The correct answer is RTSS. In 2021, the WHO recommended the world's first malaria vaccine known as RTSS AS01 and also sold under the brand name Moscow Rix, developed by the GSK in collaboration with the PATH. The vaccine was recommended for widespread use in children living in areas with moderate to high malaria transmission, following successful pilot program in Ghana, Kenya and Malawi. Question number 15. Which organ was successfully 3D printed and transplanted in animal in 2019? Option A liver, B lungs, C heart and D kidneys. The correct answer is liver. Question number 16. Which 2019 experiment created a mini black hole in a lab using option A sound waves, B neutrons, C protons and D lasers? The correct answer is sound waves. Question number 17. Which 2018 discovery saw Earth's oldest color produced by ancient life? Option A blue, B pink, C green and D red. The correct answer is pink. The 2018 discovery that revealed Earth's oldest color produced by ancient life was the uncovering of bright pink pigment found in 1.1 billion years old rocks beneath the Sahara Desert. Question number 18. Which 2022 medical study proven that mRNA vaccine could also fight? Option A malaria, B tuberculosis, C cancer and D Alzheimer. The correct answer is cancer. This was the first randomized trial to show with rigorous control that an mRNA therapeutic vaccine could effectively support the immune system in treating cancer, in this case melanoma. Question number 19. 2015, which spacecraft became the first to fly past Pluto? Option A Cassini, B Voyager 1, C New Horizons and D Pioneer 10. The correct answer is New Horizons. Question number 20. Which organ was grown in lab for the first time in the past decade? Option A brain organoids, B heart, C lungs and D kidneys. The correct answer is brain organoids.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our latest videos.